let me down, down, down.
Here are our Miss You! Caitlin Fernandez, Irish Joy Rivera, Jennifer Gapos, Patricia De Leon, Erica Regalado, Bianca Romano, Angela Patrice Gloria, Clarissa Aguila, Therese Alcantara, and Ria Angelique Siozon.
And here are our judges. Personality Development Coach and Beauty Queen, Miss Nina Ricci Alagao Flores.
Fashion Designer, Mr. Jeffrey Rogador.
Talent Manager, Miss Angeli Pangilinan Valenciano.
Beauty Queen, Miss Shamsi Sop Sop Lee. That's my base, EB Base. Let's give it up for our Miss You.
All right. I love that bit where the judges performed, ah.
Huh?
Gusto ko yan,
nga
gusto ko yan.
I like that Miss Angeli actually showed these young girls what it's made of.
Of course, the performer in her. Well, mga dabarkads, 6 na sa ating mga Miss You ang nakilala natin since last Monday.
And we can't wait to meet the rest of them. Sino naman kaya sa kanila ang mas makikilala pa natin today?
All right. Jennifer Capos from Our Lady of Fatima University will go up against Patricia De Leon from the University of Perpetual Help System, Delta.
But before we meet those two ladies, kamustahin muna natin. Binigyan natin sila ng assignment nung Lunes, di ba, Ryan?
Okay.
Yung
Yan
Miss You project natin.
Pero teka, let's try not to give away too many secrets.
Kasi i-reveal pa natin in the coming days ang kanilang mga videos na ginawa about their Miss You projects. Let's ask Bianca. Bianca, please step forward.
Bianca, yung wala masyadong detalye pero patikim lang ng ano ba yung challenge na ginawa mo?
Dahil bilang isang nutrition student, ginawa ko lang po yung natututunan ko sa aming school ay to share my knowledge in nutrition in the community.
All right, we're looking forward to your
thank you.
mission. Okay, Bianca, thank you very much.
Thank you, sir.
And we'd also like to hear from Erica. Bianca, yes, you may go back. Hey, from Arellano University. Erica, inilaan mo ba sa isa lamang o sa maraming tao ang 1,000 pesos mo?
Inilaan ko po siya hindi po sa tao, hindi rin po sa bagay.
Aba, hayop ba ito? Lugar? Aba?
Nalaman po natin.
Parang Pinoy henyo lang. Well, thank you very much. So, nakaka-intriga. Hindi tao,
Hindi bagay.
bagay.
Okay,
Alright.
we will find out. Maraming salamat, ladies. We're very excited for your 1,000 peso project.
At abangan po niyan, abangan niyo po yan, Dabarkads, yung kanilang mga video sa official Facebook fan page. Show your school spirit and support your candidates, Dabarkads.
Okay, and as mentioned, our judges are here to help us to determine our top misuse for the week.
Now, let's get to know our misuse a little better. Starting off with Jennifer Gapos from Our Lady of Fatima University.
Jennifer!
Hey, Jennifer.
Ang gusto ko malaman kay Jennifer, you are representing your school, Our Lady of Fatima University. Anong naging reaksyon ng mga tao doon na ikaw ang magre-represent sa eskwela nila?
Siyempre po, nagulat po sila.
Nagulat! Bakit?
Bakit?
Hindi ko po kasi sinabi.
Hindi mo sinabi. Sa school nyo ba, Jennifer, ano bang reputasyon mo? Ikaw ba the popular kid or the bookworm? Ano ba?
Simpleng estudyante lang po.
Simpleng estudyante
Yan yung mga
lang.
nagiging campus crush.
Oo,
yung mga simpleng
eh.
mamamayan. Alright, Jennifer,
Simulan
please
na natin to.
pick a judge. Asan na ating bowl?
Can we have the bowl?
Here we go.
Sino kaya sa ating apat na judges ang makakapagtanong kay Jennifer? Let's find out
Si
right
Jennifer na
now.
simpleng mag-aaral. Okay.
Your question will be coming from Mr. Jeffrey Rogador.
Hi, Jennifer.
Hello po. Hello po.
Yes. They say that confidence is the key to success. Anong maipapayo mo sa isang kaibigang may insecurity sa kanyang pangangatawan o figure?
Salamat po. Kung magkakaroon po ako ng kaibigan na may insecuridad sa kanyang pangangatawan, sasabihin ko lang po is, believe in yourself. Tanggapin mo muna kung anong meron ka at tatanggapin ka rin ng iba. Yun lamang po.
Okay. Thank you very much to Jennifer. Thank you very much, Jeffrey, for that question. Eto na. Magpapakita naman ng
Pakitang gilas
talent
na. Alright,
ang
Jennifer.
ating mga candidates.
It is time to see your potentials. Once again, from Our Lady of Fatima University, please give it up for Jennifer Gapos.
I stay up too late. Got nothing in my brain. That's what people say. That's what people say. I go on too many dates, but I can't make them stay. At least that's what people say. That's what people say. But I keep cruising. Can't stop, won't stop moving. It's like I got this music in my body saying it's gonna be alright. 'Cause the players gonna play, 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 play. And the haters gonna hate, 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 baby. I'm just gonna shake, 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 shake. I shake it off, shake it off. Heartbreak is gonna break, 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 break. And the thing is gonna fake, 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 baby. I'm just gonna shake, 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 shake. I shake it off, shake it off. I'll never miss a beat. I'm lightning on my feet. And that's what they don't see. That's what they don't see. But I keep cruising. Can't stop, won't stop moving. It's like I got this music in my body saying it's gonna be alright. 'Cause the players gonna play, 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 play. And the haters gonna hate, 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 baby. I'm just gonna shake, 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 shake. I shake it off, shake it off. Heartbreak is gonna break, 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 break. And the thing is gonna fake, 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 baby. I'm just gonna shake, 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 shake. I shake it off, shake it off. I'll never miss a beat.
Thank you very much, Jennifer.
Now, here's our Miss You from University of Perpetual Help Dalta System. Please give it up for Patricia De Leon.
Whoa, Patricia.
Hello, Patricia.
cheer dancer? School cheer dancer ka talaga?
Ay, hindi po.
Hindi, just for today.
Yeah.
Just for
okay.
today.
Si Patricia is from the University of Perpetual Health System, DALTA.
Yes po.
Saan ba pinakakilala ang school ninyo, Patricia?
Siguro po yung pagiging isang matulungin na estudyante. Napaka-competitive po namin sa school po namin. Yun lamang po.
So, pagiging matulungin at competitive.
Yes po.
Saan kayo competitive exactly, Patricia? Magaling ba kayo sa sports or sa mga
NCAA po, cheering competition,
cheerleading?
basketball, volleyball, ganun po.
Yon. All right, well, do your school proud by
Correct. Yes, po.
nailing this Q&A portion. Please pick a judge. Patricia.
Si Patricia pala ay 18 years old lamang. Your judge is Miss Shamsi Supsup Lee. Shamsi?
Hello po.
Hi, Patricia.
Hi, ma'am.
You look so pretty.
Thank you po.
Okay, here's your question. Sa panahon ngayon kung saan halos lahat ay instant at mabilisan, paano mo mapapanatili ang pagkakaroon ng healthy lifestyle?
Maraming salamat po.
Patricia, 45 seconds, go.
Bilang isang estudyante, mapapanatili ko po ang pagkakaroon ng isang healthy lifestyle. Bilang kapag pwede naman po tayo kumain ng tama, halimbawa na po sa foods, pwede naman po tayo kumain ng tama, dapat lang po alam po natin kung hanggang saan lang po dapat. Dahil naniniwala po ako sa kasabihan na lahat ng sobra ay masama. Yun lamang po, maraming salamat po.
Everything in moderation.
Yes,
Ika.
That's right.
All
At in evidence naman na
Correct.
very
Mukhang
healthy
pinapractice niya yung sinasabi.
si Patricia. Now let's see what Patricia's got. Here's Patricia De Leon from the University of Perpetual Health System, DALTA. Good luck, Patricia.
Go for it.
Jiggle, touch, grind, bubble, jiggle, touch, grind, bubble, jiggle, touch, grind. Show them the most the wine. Bubble, jiggle, touch, grind, bubble, jiggle, touch, grind, bubble, jiggle, touch, grind. Show them the most the wine. Bubble, jiggle, touch, grind, bubble, jiggle, touch, grind, bubble, jiggle, touch, grind. Show them the most the wine. Bubble, jiggle, touch, grind, bubble, jiggle, touch, grind, bubble, jiggle, touch, grind.
Get ready to perform. You come with qualification. You already know the program. You will run the town. They say you're a monster. A monster. Why not? Why not?
Show them you good girl.
This one down. Girl, you got one more round to go.
Wind it up, my shake. Shake it up, all that. Rock it up, that bass. Girl, you look so great. Girl, make that booty gyrate. Girl, show them you graduate. Girl, you got this island, yeah. Mash up the place.
Give me one, one hand, one hand, one hand. Give me 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 one hand. Whatever, any angle, handle it. Wanna change, anyway. You look it, show them you want.
Most the wine, girl, you look good. Mash up the thing, my girl, you look good. Touch. Show them the most the wine.
You don't need recommendation. You come with qualification. You already know the program. You will run the town. They say you're a monster. A monster. Why not? Why not?
Show them you good girl.
Thank you very much, Patricia De
Ayun,
Leon.
Patricia. Parang kulang ang ceiling height ng Broadway para sa kanya.
Ang haba ng binti ni Patricia, buti natapos.
Judges, pwede nyo nang ilagay sa Miss U inbox natin ang inyong mga scores.
Malapit na po natin malaman kung sino ang magpapatuloy pa sa ating kompetisyon sa mga darating pang mga araw.
And tomorrow, it's going to be Bianca Romano of Manila Titana Colleges versus Rhea Angelique Shozon of Colegio de San Juan de Letran. Abangan nyo po ang ipapakita nila.
Mga Dabarkad, susunod na. Ma-LSS na tayo sa kantang Love na Love ni Lola sa Lola's Playlist.
At 44th week sa rin na ng Aldab sa Kalye Serye.
Sa pagbabalik po yan ng
Bulaga!